Robert Bowers will be going on trial next year, accused of killing 11 people and wounding several police officers at the Tree of Life synagogue. But in a hearing that just wrapped up, his defense is trying to keep the jury from hearing some anti-Semitic statements that Bowers allegedly made that day. KDKA investigator Andy Sheehan joins us at the federal courthouse downtown. Andy.
Well, Christine, Bowers is charged with federal hate crimes which carry the death penalty, and so his defense is trying hard to keep these statements out of court. Bowers' defense team, headed by attorney Judy Clark, arrived at court for a second day, determined to suppress or keep a jury from hearing 911 transmissions like this from October 27, 2018.
7-1 suspects talking about all these Jews need to die. We're still communicating with them.
A parade of Pittsburgh SWAT team members, including Officer Michael Salduti, took the stand, each testifying to their role in two separate gun battles with the gunman to eventually force his surrender. Each said the gunman made unprovoked anti-Semitic statements as he crawled to them, including, quote, "The Jews are killing our people and our children. I had to do this." The defense questioned the officers on Bowers' physical and mental state, making the case that he was in pain and may not have been in control of his thoughts. They also questioned the statements, whether they were coerced, and noted Bowers had not been read his Miranda rights before making them. But each officer said they were engaged in a continuing critical scene, worried about the possibility of another shooter in the building and explosives. Despite being in pain with 2 gunshot wounds, they said Bowers was calm and lucid. But in trying to suppress the comments, defense questioning brought to light new ones, including one officer testifying to Bowers speaking about HIAS, the Hebrew Immigrant Aid Society, which, in a post prior to the attack, Bowers accused, quote, invaders into the country. HIAS likes to bring invaders in that kill our people. I can't stand by and watch my people get slaughtered. Screw the optics, I'm going in. Now, the hearing has wrapped up, but it will likely be another 2 months before Judge Danita Ambrose makes a ruling on whether these statements will be admissible in trial. The judge did indicate that she would like the trial to happen by late winter or early spring. Reporting live at the federal courthouse downtown, Andy Sheehan, KDKA News.